So equilibrium is the condition of the system. So it is not an individual one, of the whole closed system in which competing influence are balanced. Whatever it is competing with is are balanced. So thus one reactions will be in equilibrium. When you see that boiling point, look at here, this log is there, it is standing one by one because of this equilibrium. So if any one condition change means the whole thing will get collapse. A simple pendulum, if the pendulum with this stand in the non-elastic string, then it is said to be in equilibrium. So backward reaction and forward reaction, both reactions occur. So ball is giving this one pressure to the thread and thread is giving one pressure to the ball. Thus both are get equal. So in a balanced substance are there. So when both pan substance are equal, then it is said to be in equilibrium. So in a seesaw also it is like that only. Both end of this is mass is present is equal, then it is said to be in equilibrium. So equilibrium is a condition in which both reactants and products rate will be equal. What is dynamic equilibrium? Dynamic equilibrium is the condition of a system in which rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of backward reaction. Dynamic equilibrium. It will be change. So movement will be there, then it is known as dynamic equilibrium. If you see this characteristics of chemical, look at this example. So here tap is there, water is falling from the tap to the tank, and here another one tap is there. If you open the tap, how much amount of water is falling from top tap to the container, that much amount of water will come outside from this outside container. So thus the water level in the container will be maintain a equilibrium. Water level will be in the container is maintaining a equilibrium. It should be drop by drop. So what type of equilibrium it shows? It is dynamic equilibrium. When you see that there are the characteristics of chemical equilibrium, characteristics of physical equilibrium also there. So when you see this physical equilibrium, solid liquid equilibrium, that is ice and water are kept perfectly insulated thermos flask at 273 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure. There is a static equilibrium. H2O in solid state equilibrium gives H2O liquid state. At this condition, their mass and the temperature of the reaction mixture remain constant. So the temperature at which the solid and the liquid phase of a pure substance is atmospheric pressure or at equilibrium is called the normal melting point or normal freezing point of the substance. So these are all the one are examples of equilibrium in our day-to-day life. If the base of the reactants is strong, healthy, then it is said to be an ionic equilibrium. Here is a multi-specialty bus. So in the equilibrium state, when the forward reaction is equal to the rate of backward reaction. According to this equilibrium constant, it is defined as the ratio of the product of the molar concentration of the substance proceed to that reaction mixture are raised to the power equal to the number of molecules of the substance in the balance equation. It is denoted by capital K equilibrium. In this picture, everything shows that it is an equilibrium state. Body is in equilibrium condition. Smoke which is coming out from the chimney. So lime production, synthesis of ammonia, sulfuric acid, methanol. This all comes under dynamic equilibrium. So look at this. This is a dynamic equilibrium observation. Take a glass and around 30 ml of water. If you drop a spoon, the spoon displace the water and take its place. By this time we can observe the macroscopic view of equilibrium.